Yeah, so this is the Dorado project. This part of the bike looks really boring. So here we have the HogWorkz chin spoiler, available for 09 to 13 and 14 to 23 touring models, and in a variety of color match finishes. This chin spoiler from HogWorkz will add a sleek, custom look to the front of your ride. This chin spoiler fits 16 to 30 inch wheels and will also fit engine guards equipped with lower vented fairings. So the chin spoiler is not going to work with the current setup right now. I do have to remove the Harley Davidson chopped engine guard and install the regular engine guard, and I also have to remove the oil cooler cover. So to pop this cover off, there's just 2 grommets on the bottom. Just pull straight out. So to remove the chopped engine guard, you have 2 screws right here. These are a 3/16 hex bit. And then you have 1 screw on each side on the bottom right here. And these are a T45. So I'll cover up the front fender so I don't damage anything. So I'll loosen up all the screws first and then take them out by hand. So when you're removing that last screw, just make sure you're supporting your engine guard. All right, so here I have the HogWorkz Engine Guard. Great quality product from HogWorkz. The finish looks good. I did have to remove the chopped engine guard that was on the bike previously in order for the chin spoiler to work. So there's only one spot this can go, so let's get it on. So HogWorkz does provide you with all new mounting hardware, and I will be using blue Loctite. So just carefully maneuver the engine guard around the fender. If you have this covered up, you don't have to worry about scratching anything. So the very top hole is where you're gonna mount it. You'll just angle it and slide it behind the backside. So I'll get these fingers started so I can get everything lined up. So the bottom screw is a 7/32 hex bit. And the top screw is a 1/4 inch hex bit. Now to get the chin spoiler installed, I do need some room between the fender and the frame. Now because I am on a lift, I'll use a center jack to raise the front of the bike up so I can turn the handlebars. Now before you start lifting the bike, just make sure you're in gear and you're strapped down. Now for 09 to 16 touring models, they do provide you with a front and rear adapter. Now because this is a 17 and up, all I will need is this flange nut. So the stud behind the chin spoiler is going to go in right through here. Now that I can turn the handlebars, I can squeeze the chin spoiler between the frame and the front fender. Now I'll just take my flange nut and secure the back. So I'm using a 14mm wrench to tighten this down. All right, so that wraps it up. Pretty simple install on the HogWorkz Engine Guard and chin spoiler. It's just a few screws and that's pretty much it. Amazing product from HogWorkz, definitely completes the front end of the bike. Now HogWorkz does offer these in a variety of color match options, so make sure you go check them out. We have a lot more projects to go, so make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and I'll see you on the next one.